एडू बेडियान मारिल्लो 89व्या मिनटाचो गोल हो 3-8-2 स्कोर लायनीक कारणीभूत ठरलो। एक हार्ड फॉट जैत म्हणटात पळय ते आज FC गोवाक मेळ्ळें आनी ह्या पंगडान दिल्ली डायनामोजा आड जी कामगिरी केल्ली आसा ती जरी 100% कन्विन्सिंग नाशिल्ली तरी तांची जो हंगर आसा जी तांची भूक आसा ती ताज्या खातीर FC गोवाक जैत मेळ्ळें हें सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचें आसा। Very hard fought victory for your boys, feeling a bit fortunate to get the result.
Sinceramente creo que ha sido un partido que lo podía haber ganado cualquiera de los dos equipos.
Sincerely, I think either one of the teams could have won this game today.
Ha sido un partido muy abierto, un partido de dos equipos que han buscado el ataque, han buscado portería contraria. Creo que ha sido un partido atractivo para el aficionado.
I think it was a very open game where both teams were sort of looking to attack each other as much as possible, trying to get as many shots in on goal and trying to score as many. I think it was a good game as a spectacle for the fans.
Pero normalmente cuando los partidos son tan vibrantes, tan abiertos y tan bonitos para el espectador, a los entrenadores no nos gustan tanto.
But whenever there's a game which is sort of a spectacle, which is so open-ended, where both teams are going at it, it's not particularly good for the coaches.
I think that we play very well. I think that we did the game that we planned. I think that we had a lot of chances to win the game. I think even the first half we did for twice. I am satisfied with the players, satisfied with everybody. Just the result for me is a little bit unfair today. It's true that Goa is a very strong opponent and has a lot of quality, but today we deserve more than to go without anything.
फातोर्डेच्यान व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सावियो डायसा वांगडा हांव स्पोर्ट्स एडिटर नीरज प्रभू प्रोडंटा खातीर।